Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana still seems to be following this yellow wave count, and the yellow support region is still on the chart. It hasn't changed. It's between $134 and $162. I did recently take it off after we had an attempted breakout, but because the breakout failed, I put it on. I feel it's just relevant again, and it seems likely we are going to test this yellow support region. Is very similar to actually Bitcoin's yellow support region. If you're following the Bitcoin charts, could do something similar. And we are dealing here with still this wave 4 triangle. That's my perspective, where third wave topped in March this year, and we have an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and then this E wave down. Now for the D wave, we can discuss whether maybe the C wave ended here. I think I like that count better. And then we have an overshooting B wave to the downside. And then this is a 5-wave move down in wave C. That makes more sense, even though those overshooting B waves to the downside are not common in triangles, but can happen. So A, B, C, D, E, that's largely an academic discussion as well. So the support area is clear, still expected to be tested. And if we zoom in a little bit, quick reminder that triangles should break to the opposite side of the E wave. So we would be watching for an eventual, basically a breakout to the upside eventually. For now, 1 second. No. For now, there are a few parameters to watch. Okay, a few things to watch. So we had this rally, we had this attempted upside breakout above the range boundary line in green, failed. So we've come down now to the next support line at around to structural support at $165.70. For now, we're holding that. Shared with you in the last few updates that we could be working on a head and shoulders pattern here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. The resistance area slightly changed from the last update. It's now between $179.43 and $187.86. So if in the next few days, maybe or the next week or so, Solana could form a healthy B wave, then the C wave down could complete the pattern. So it just means wave D top tier of the triangle, wave E is unfolding, the E wave is an ABC structure, the A wave could be nearly complete, B wave, lower high, C wave down. This is what I'm tracking at the moment, so the yellow count still seems to be in control. We already saw that yesterday. My last update here on our Discord server was communicated late yesterday, overnight actually. I highlighted there that the price seems to follow the yellow scenario, which would be confirmed further with a break below $170.51 and then $165.70. Now we've arrived at that $165.70 level. So we broke below the first support. Okay, that confirmed already the yellow count further, which was the preferred scenario, but it just needed to break as a signal. Okay, the next signal would be a break below 165.70. I'm just highlighting that we could get this B wave bounce before we go down, and it could take the shape of a head and shoulders pattern. Now, if we zoom in even further, then we can see that in this decline, in this move down in this A wave, we might see one more low. We don't need to, but we could see one more low, and it would be related to the idea that the C wave in wave A is a 5-wave move, and it might just need one more low. It might need one. Just saying that, it could be, if we break above initial resistance, however, which is located at $174.81, it might indicate that the B wave has started. That would be too large of a bounce for a 4th wave. For now, I'm watching, okay, maybe wave 4 is already in. One more low could then be the last one that would set the stage for a B wave bounce. A very similar count to what Bitcoin is doing. And if we then stay below $187.86, which is the 78.6 retracement of the decline, well, it would then confirm the yellow count further. Definitely all corrective price action here, corrective to the upside, corrective to the downside. That last rally here to the upside from the 5th of July low looks also like a 5-wave move, but it could be related to a larger ABC structure. Again, could still be bullish because we are dealing here with a possible triangle that should break to the upside, especially as long as the yellow support zone is holding. And then we could see a 5th wave rally to all-time highs. I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.